China is racing toward a future that once only existed in science fiction, a world where humanoid robots work alongside or even replace humans. Across major cities in China, robotics companies are building machines that can install car parts, serve customers, and even perform complex tasks using artificial intelligence. At the heart of this revolution is deep learning, the same technology behind systems like ChatGPT now being applied to the physical world, allowing robots to learn movements and decisions from massive datasets rather than strict programming. Companies like Gucci Robotics are already automating key parts of car manufacturing, while startups such as Galbot are developing humanoid robots capable of adapting to real-world environment. Meanwhile, firms like Unitree are producing affordable robots at scale, pushing innovation faster than ever before.
Whoa! Wow.
With billions of dollars in government support and fierce competition between cities, China's robotics boom is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. While some experts believe new roles will emerge, others warn that millions could be displaced. One thing is certain, the age of intelligent machines is no longer a distant dream, but an unfolding reality that could redefine how the world works.